Okay, you guys, I just met a couple of hikers and they said they'd hiked some stuff and this was a good feat, so check this out real quick. Whoa, don't do that. Y'all heard me slip? Alright, that's the way back down. So down, down. Hard for me to even look. I don't like this part.
Yeah, this is yeah.
That's craziness. So, no small feat for the wood dog getting up here, that's for sure. Good one. Good one, good one. Good one. See, those young frogs did it like it wasn't nothing. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it like it ain't nothing. I mean, shit. I'm looking at what I'm showing you guys through the screen, and it is nothing like what it's like in right here. It just doesn't get it. It is some insanity. I mean, shit. Shit. I'm taller than the trees, way taller than the trees. I better put the camera down and focus on getting down this motherfucker.